Are you ready? Merry Christmas. It's working. Okay, so tonight I was going to take a look at fixing this little Christmas star. It had a regular incandescent lights in it, and just like a lot of other ones, it's always flickering each year, and replace a couple of bulbs here and there. What I've noticed now is that a lot of the bulbs are showing little blackened sections everywhere. So this setup here is only got a 2-wire, so it's in series. So basically each bulb in line here has to be working, or the shunt in the bulb, which takes the place of the bulb filament if the bulb burns out. Each one of those has to be working in order for this whole string to work. There's a lot of blackened bulbs in here, and I've already used the shunt repair tool on it, and it hasn't brought it back. So the idea is to take these lights, which are also incandescent lights, and remove them from their string and replace the bulbs in this string. And hopefully there's nothing wrong with the string itself, and it's just the bulbs. We'll test this new one out here. So just to show that this one is not working. Not working. So this actually has 50 lights in it, and this has 50 lights in it. So we would just do them one for one. And I think what I'll do is I'll actually replace them on this and keep the white string. So the first thing we do is we take the actual socket out of the little frame here, and now these bulbs, being incandescent, can be replaced. You just have to fold back the little wires on it. Fold them back and pull it right out. Keep that socket. And you can probably see that that's blackened. And if we look, check the ohms on this. Test the meter first. 0.4 ohms. It's good. Checking across these, getting an open circuit here, basically. That one seems to be shot. That was a yellow bulb. So we take this one out, fold these tabs back, don't need the green anymore, transfer it over to the white socket. Gotta let it find the holes. And then fold the wires over. And repeat 49 more times. So I'm going to place them back in. As I go around, I'll do the outside and then I'll do the inside. We are 5 days away from Christmas, but better late than never. So because it's 50 lights and the old one's 50 lights, I'm pretty sure that we should have no problem with the string doing the same function. But you do have to kind of keep in mind when you're getting replacement lights that they have the right voltage, first of all, which is 2.5 volts in this case. And then on the string it'll usually tell you do not connect together more than 500 lamps of the 2.5 volt half watt 0.5 watt size. Now the replacement pack doesn't tell me how many watts this is, but you know, it says for sets with 50, 100, 150, and 200 lights. So that's kind of something to watch out for. Obviously, you gotta really like the person that's asking you to fix this thing for all the work that it requires. But, you know, it's Christmas. It's taking me about 30 seconds a bulb. Are you ready? Merry Christmas. It's working. So it probably took a good 40 minutes, but I think it's worth it actually. I'm happy to have it back. So a couple spare bulbs in here on this string. That's it. Thanks for watching. Good night.